Welcome to 209 Wildsmere Avenue. This cute, updated 3-bedroom, 1 full bath home with luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring and other updates inside. It's located in the Eau Claire area of North Columbia, convenient to downtown Columbia, Columbia College, as well as I-20 and the North Main District. So we're in front of the home now. You can see the home sits on sort of in a regular shape, kind of a wedge-shaped corner lot. You have parking access off the driveway here that circles around to where you see that vehicle park. There also is a detached carport over here. And while we're outside, we'll go ahead and just take a quick look at the other back yard space. As you can see, most of it is towards the right side. And you come around and you have a covered front porch going in. Nice updated modern white paint on the outside. And as you step inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood floor that has been updated throughout. Neutral paint inside as well. So you step into a nice sized living room with a decorative fireplace. And you can see there's some corner shelving built in with natural light coming in as well. So this is an older home that has a setup where usually you have a bedroom, sometimes off of the living room or off the entry area. So this is one of the bedrooms, as you can see here, and you'll see how it connects to the kitchen in just a second, but I just figured we'd go ahead and show you that since we're close to the door. Closet there in the corner, and then you can see the kitchen through there. Just come back around to the living room space, so you ideally could put a dining room table in here, or you have sort of a small eat-in space in the kitchen here as well. So inside you have a ceiling fan in the kitchen, as well as white cabinets and black appliances. You have an electric stove and refrigerator. And then you also have a laundry area in here as well, so you can see your your washer connections there. Do not see any venting for a dryer, so that may be separate or somewhere else, so just keep that in mind. And then you have a small hallway here off of the kitchen, and right off of there you have the 1 full bathroom for the home, nicely updated with a white vanity mirror and some modern lighting. And then you also have nicely updated shower and tub enclosure here with some built-in shelving along the back. And then 2 additional bedrooms here also. This one faces the backyard inside on the left side of the home if you're facing the street. You see the corner closet there. And then finally, our 3rd bedroom is on the front left corner of the house. As you can see, good natural light coming in to all the bedrooms as well. And then the closet is here in the corner. So that completes our tour of this home at 209 Wildsmere Avenue in North Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.